Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Audio Trek, a holiday fireplace at Osage Hills State Park in Oklahoma. Join me, your host, Ken Sipes, as we explore the natural world around us. In the rolling hills of northeast Oklahoma is the Osage Hills State Park, over 1,000 acres of getting away with trails, a lake, river, waterfall, swimming pool, and multiple camping options. One of the options are 8 stone cabins built by the Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s. I stayed in one of those classic 8 cabins. Arriving in the cabin, I was transported back in time to the cabins of my childhood when we would go on family vacations to the lake. Now, I've been hoping to film a fireplace before the holidays, and in November I got to do so. In this classic cabin, I relaxed, definition, laying on the sofa, in front of the fire after 4 long days of driving and filming on my trip from Sonoma County to Florida. So, as you are celebrating with family, friends, and or just relaxing by yourself stringing popcorn for the tree, enjoy the fire. In addition to the original 60-minute audio podcast, be sure to check out the Explorer and Magellan Circle supporter area for the 60-minute videocast or the 180-minute audio podcast. Details for these and all the podcasts are available on our website, audiotrek.io. Audio Trek. Relax, explore, meditate, and sleep.